All right, I thought I'd make a little video here today of the 1965 GE Thinette 6000 BTU air conditioner I picked up here recently and pulled apart and refurbished. It was in pretty filthy shape. I don't think it had ever been cleaned in the last 43 years, or 53 years I should say. It took a while to get it degunked, but it turned out pretty well, and it actually works a lot better than I expected, and it's in pretty good condition overall, with the lack of rust and missing the badge on the front lower unit there. You can see where the glue is. There's probably a metal strip there, but control panel's in pretty good shape. All the grills are in decent shape. A couple of parts missing, kind of where the grill gets held on there. There's a chunk missing out and a screw, thumb screw missing. You can see there it's kind of missing a piece there too, but it's got enough for the thumb screw to hold it on. It doesn't fit in my windows very well. There's a closing lip on my lower sash there that kind of prevents it from sitting down all the way. So I kind of got a block of wood behind there, spacing up just a little bit temporarily, and then kind of leaves a gap there for the side panels to fill. Same on the bottom. It's got a piece of wood just sitting in there temporarily. And then on the bottom, there's really nothing for the pan to sit on. There's just a couple of little nubs sticking out. There's not a lip like more modern air conditioners have, where the side wings slide in. So again, my windows have a kind of a lip around the bottom of the sash. That's a real thin lip that makes it kind of a challenge for things to sit in as well. I guess they didn't engineer the windows in this house for window air conditioners, considering I have central air, but it's nice having them upstairs for taking the edge off when it's warmer than it is downstairs. Today we just have it downstairs just for demonstration purposes. We'll go ahead and turn her on normal, cool, and fan setting. It moves a pretty good amount of air. Not real loud, but it's not the quietest air conditioner in the world for only 6,000 BTU. High fan's a little bit more noisy, but overall not too bad. We'll put her back on normal cool. We'll kick in the compressor. You see I have a little bit of a buzz to rectify. It's probably because of the way they're sitting on the window. I wasn't really doing that when I was running it separately. Wow, that's pretty obnoxious. Let me put a pause here and see if we can fix that. There we go, got her a little readjusted. Got her running on low cool here with just a little bit of vibration yet, but pretty quiet overall. Just adjust that one a little bit. We go to high cool. Start getting good and cold. Go back to low and we'll go outside and take a look at her. So my wood doesn't want to stay in place there. Get some side panels made up properly for that. Pause here for a second, we'll get a temp measurement. Well, here's been running for probably 5 or 6 minutes since we started it up before. And I don't know if you can see that. Here we go. I've got my thermocouple probe right on the coils at the top here, and just sticking through the grill. And we're reading about 36.7 degrees, 36 degrees. So it's definitely doing the job. And if we just measure out our air temperature, just let it warm up here a little bit. Blowing darn cold air, about 39 degrees. There we go, 39. So she blows cold. Old girl works good. It's a bit of a power hog. I don't have the kilowatt hooked up right now, but it's rated for 1,050 watts. So it's an EER of about 5.7. So she's a hungry mama, and a lot of it's in the fan motor itself. She's got 230 watts on low just for the fan motor, so it sucks some serious juice. Not very efficient, but definitely delivers the goods. On high, I think the fan motor's over 300 watts. Just a straight shaded cold. There's no capacitor running the fan motor, just the compressor. But old girl definitely is throwing some cold air out here. A little bit of a challenge to mount with my windows, but not normally an air conditioning unit that I would have went out to find, but popped up on the Facebook marketplace and basically decided to save the old girl. And I think probably if I didn't buy her, she's probably going to take a trip to the dump. I don't think too many people are in the market for an old dirty air conditioner, but she's doing the job. Thanks for watching.